We're going to talk about how to find the slope of a line from 2 points. So remember that when it gives you the 2 points, for example, in this problem, 1, 4, and 5, 5, that the first number is your x value and the second number is your y value. And the second set is 5, 5. Same thing, your first number is your x, the second is your y. And if you remember, in 8th grade, you probably learned how to find slope from 2 points, but if not, this is going to be a quick reminder. So we would use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. The way I do that is I pick one set of points, it doesn't matter which one, and I label them both as my ones. They're my ones. And then I take the next set and I'm going to label those as my twos. Now I literally just replace the information in my formula. So my y sub 2, let's change my color ink. My y sub 2 is going to be this one here. My y sub 1 is going to be this one here. So I can say y sub 2 is 5 minus y sub 1 is 4 over x sub 2 is here and x sub 1 is here. So x sub 2 is 5 minus 1. And then you literally just work it out. 5 minus 4 is 1 over 5 minus 1 is 4. My slope is 1/4. Let's do one more example. I'm going to write my formula over here so we remember it. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I don't have to rewrite the ordered pairs every time. I can go up here and write, okay, that's my x, that's my y, that's my x, that's my y. And I'm going to make these my ones and these my twos. Now I can literally just replace them. So if I were using a dry erase board, I could say, I could put this on my dry erase board and then replace by saying, okay, my x sub 1 goes here, and I'm going to put in negative 26. Now notice I did not erase the subtraction sign that's in the middle. My y sub 1 will go here. Oh, let me erase that. My y sub 1 we can replace with negative 40. And remember, anytime I replace a letter with a number, I put it in parentheses. My x sub 2, why is it not erasing? My x sub 2 can be replaced with negative 27. And then my y sub 2 can be replaced with, what is my y sub 2? 0. Now it's really important to realize that the y sub 2 minus y sub 1, the minus sign stays there. And if there's a negative number, you put it in parentheses and keep that minus sign. So I have 0 minus negative 40. If this confuses you, please put it in a calculator. So 0 minus negative 40 would be a positive 40 over negative 27 minus negative 26. And if you remember when we learned this before, minus a negative is adding, right? So it's actually going to be over a negative 1. So 40 divided by negative 1 is equal to negative 40. So my slope would be negative 40.